Coming your way.
Alright, up.
Got it. It's safe.
Up. Alright, we got all the water out of it. Yeah.
Home movies.
Sam, you got one of our orders, don't you?
It's right there.
Hey, I'll get the phone. That's alright, you saved the important stuff.
Yeah.
Gabe, sit down in the canoe.
That's the whole reason we keep flipping out.
Gabe, grab Joe's oars right there.
Alright, they can't reach you. Alright, now come back this way.
You're dumping stuff. It's open.
I got 2 beers left.
What do you mean you got 2? Why did you? I got 2 beers left. Motherfucker.
Because I don't have secrets. I forgot about that part. Well, it's a bad thing.
Oh, well, alright.
Get your ass over here, motherfucker. I didn't say security. That's not security. Look at it.
Is that security?
Oh, that's a fat guy in a red shirt. Come on, come over here.
You hear about that bird?
They are nuts.
Yes,
Yeah,
he's
I
got
know.
it.
Yeah, he's got
I
it.
got it twice. You know? It got me pregnant.
You weren't fast enough, Gabe.
Look at my shoes. You know what? Fuck your shoes.
I don't even have shoes on anymore.
Your shoes are over here, Joe.
Why don't we
Yeah,
just go
but-
get a $100 bill and throw it in the fucking river?
Oh yeah, where's my wallet at? I should probably check that.
I need those shoes.
I'll get the shoes. Don't worry.
Hey,
Horse.
Keep taping, Kat. I'll get the shoes.
Oh, yeah, I am.
let's go canoeing. What crazy idea was that?
Let's drink moonshine. Whose crazy idea was that?
Save my shoes, Sam.
I got your shoes, Gabe.
Thank you.
Your $100 shoes
Oh, there.
that are all muddy now.
Well, hey. Quit standing up. I'm not standing up.
All right. Oh, shit.
Are we
We're
good?
going on the other side.